Here's your daily update. Newsman Dennis Daily offers his take on the events of the day in another daily video blog.
Hi, and thanks again, everybody. It's always nice to compare the past with the present. You see all this sand and scrub brush? Well, there are areas in the desert where this is all you see. Sand is everywhere. But in Palm Springs, if you look far enough down the sand, well, you'll see something that looks man-made, a sidewalk. And there at the end of it, one of the entrances to Walmart. And the other direction, you see that long row? That's the fence that separates the desert from housing. Here's a really dramatic photo. This is on the west edge of part of Miami. You see that housing development? Then there's a canal, and then bingo! The Everglades. Now, that line of demarcation separating the Everglades and Miami used to be much farther to the east. But it's that way everywhere. Compare a map of Washington, D.C. from years ago to a map of D.C. today. Look at an old map of Los Angeles, and then look at L.A. today. You know, a lot of people call that progress. Others call it urban sprawl. What do you call it? I'm Dennis Daily with your daily news update.